Hello friends, myself Mr Narendra Jangalale from Gokhale Education Society's R.M.Bhatt High School, Parel. Welcome students. Today we are going to study SSC Class 10th Maths Part 2 4th chapter, that is Geometric Constructions. Dear friends, from that chapter today we are going to study the practice set 4.2, and this practice set 4.2 is based on the following constructions. So let us see that type of constructions. First one, construction of tangent to the circle at a point on the circle. So there are again two types, using the center of circle, and second type is without using the center of the circle. Now second type of construction is to construct tangent to a circle from a point outside the circle. Now using these two types we have to complete practice set 4.2. Second type of construction, practice set 4.2, construction of tangent. In a construction of tangent, 3 points are there. First one, construct a tangent through a point on a circle. That is the first point. And in that point, 2 points are included, using center, without using center. And second one, draw a tangent to the circle passing through the point outside the circle. So let us see first one. Construct a tangent to the circle with center P and radius 3.2 cm at any point M on it. So here again, first draw the rough figure, draw the circle, draw the radius and that things. So here I am showing one rough figure only. So here first we have to draw any circle like this. So in a rough figure, draw one circle. Here it is, P is the center of that circle. Here it is point M. Now join this point PM and draw the ray, extend this PM. Now we have to draw the perpendicular line at point M. So in this way we can draw the rough figure. Here we have to draw the perpendicular line. So here it is L. So in this way we have to draw the rough figure. Now let us see how to construct the tangent if the point is on the circle. So draw a circle first with given radius. So measure the radius 3.2 cm using this scale. So here it is 3.2 cm. Sorry. So here it is 3.2 cm. So measure the radius with P as a center. Here it is P, point P. With P as a center, draw a circle of radius 3.2 cm. So first we have to draw one circle of given radius. Now take a point. Whenever we have to draw or construct a tangent at a point on the circle, always take the point M or point on the right hand side of the circle. So here let it be point M. So here we have to construct the tangent through M passing through the point M which is on the circle. Now next first step, draw the radius PM and extend it. So first we have to draw the radius PM using the center. This is the first process, and here extend it. Now we have to construct the line, because tangent is perpendicular to the radius. We studied in third chapter. So using that concept, tangent is always perpendicular to the radius at the end point. So here we have to construct the perpendicular line at point M. So you know how to draw the perpendicular line. I shown in the basic construction. With M as a center, take a suitable distance and draw two arcs on opposite sides of M, on right hand side and left hand side. Now bisect the segment between these two arcs. You know how to bisect the segment, more than half distance. Now we have to draw the arcs on one side only, no need to draw both the sides. Draw one arc, take a distance more than half and draw one arc. Now with another point of intersection or another arc as a center and draw the arc intersecting the previous arc. Now the point of intersection of these two arcs is one of the point and M is other point. Draw a line passing through these 2 points. We get a line or a tangent to the circle. Let it be line L. So here it is line L is a tangent to the circle. So in this way easily we can construct a tangent to the circle if the point is on the circle using center. So here again I am revising. Draw the circle of given radius. Take any point M on the circle. Draw PM and extend it. Now we have to draw the perpendicular at M. So with M as a center, draw arcs at equal distance on both sides of M. Now bisect the segment between these two arcs using that concept, more than half distance, and then draw the two arcs and then draw a line passing through M and this point of intersection. We get the tangent to the circle. So let us see this third example from practice set 4.2. Draw a circle of radius 3.6 cm. Draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it. The same construction is there. Now to draw the tangent to the circle through the point which is on the circle, but without using the center. That is the difference. So first take a distance of 3.6 centimeter in a compass. So here using the scale we can measure that distance 3.6 centimeter. So here it is 3.6 centimeter. So take the distance of 3.6 centimeter in a compass and draw one circle first. So here we are drawing the circle. So here it is the circle. Your compass must be better than this one, because if the compass is loose then this problem is arise. Now here the circle is drawn. Now what we have to do? We have to take a point on the circle. Suppose here we are taking point P. So here it is point P. Now we have to draw the tangent to the circle through point P, but without using the center. Where here it is the center, but we have to avoid that center. Without using that center we have to draw the tangent. So for that first take point P here, not here. So here, then draw one chord PQ. Draw any chord PQ. Here it is point Q, chord PQ. Now on the opposite side of that chord PQ take point R and complete triangle PQR. So whenever we are drawing without using center, first take point P, then draw chord PQ, any chord PQ, and take one point opposite to that chord R and complete that triangle PQR. Now we have to draw the tangent through P without using the center. So what we have to do? Draw the angle congruent to this angle R at point P. So you know how to draw the angle congruent to the given angle with R as a center. With R as a center and suitable distance in a compass, draw the arc intersecting that two sides of that angle R. Now with the same distance with P as a center, draw the arc intersecting this side PQ and extend that arc. So here we get one point of intersection, here 2 points of intersection. So take the distance between this 2 points of intersection in a compass. So measure that distance using the compass. Now this is one of the point of intersection. With this point as a center, draw another arc intersecting these two arcs, that previous arc. Now draw a line passing through this point P and this point of intersection of these two arcs, that is the tangent to the circle and passing through the point P but without using the center. Here this angle and this angle are congruent. So without using the center, using this concept, we can construct the tangent. Listen again. Draw the circle, take point P on the circle, then take any point Q and draw chord PQ. PQ chord draw करने के बाद उसके सामने एक point R लिया. Then complete the triangle PQR. After completing the triangle PQR, we have to draw angle R and here angle this QPT. Suppose here it is T, congruent. You know how to draw the congruent angle. With R as a center, draw the arc. With R as a center, draw the arc intersecting the two sides of this, and with the same distance, keeping the same distance in a compass, with P as a center, draw the arc. Now take a distance between these 2 points of intersection of arc and the sides. Now with this point of intersection, draw another arc. Draw a line passing through P and this point of intersection. We get the tangent to the circle passing through the point on the circle, but not without using the center. So this is the second type of construction. Let us see next one. Here it is, the fifth sum from this chapter, from this exercise 4.2. Draw a circle with radius 3.4 centimeter. So first we have to draw the circle. Draw a chord MN of length 5.7 centimeter. Draw the chord MN of 5.7 centimeter. In it, draw tangents at point M and N to the circle. So first draw the rough figure here. So if we draw the rough figure, we get like this. Suppose this is the circle of given measurement. So draw the circle. Here it is the center of the circle. Let it be P or O. Now we have to draw the chord of length 5.7. So draw one chord MN. This point is M. This point is N. And this length is 5.7 centimeter. Now we have to draw the tangent at point N. So first join this PN and then extend. We can draw using center, without using center. जो आपको easy लगता है, that we can use. So here we can use both the methods because here the method is not mentioned. Now draw the tangent at point N. This is the rough figure. So here we get the tangent at N, and here we get the tangent, means perpendicular line, at M, and we get this point of intersection of both these. Let it be L. So here in this way we get the figure. So we have to draw the figure like this. So first we have to construct the circle with radius 3.4 centimeters. So first take a distance here. Now we are constructing that actual figure. Take a distance of 3.4 centimeter in a compass. .4 centimeter. So here 3.4 centimeter is taken in a compass. Mark the center. Here it is the center of the circle. So here P is the center of circle. With P as a center, draw a circle with the radius 3.4 centimeter. So here we get the circle with radius 3.4 centimeter and P as the center. Now we have to draw arc MN having length 5.7. So how to draw? Let it be point M. So first take point M on it, any point M. Now from M at a distance of 5.7. So take a distance 5.7 in a compass. So here it is 5.7. Distance 5.7 in a compass from M. Draw the arc intersecting the circle. That point is N, because this distance is MN, distance is 5.7. So here we get point N. Now draw the chord MN. So this is the method to draw the chord of given length. Don't draw directly using the scale. So take point on the circle M and take the distance 5.7 in a compass. With M as a center, draw another arc intersecting the circle. Then we get that another point N and then draw this chord MN. Now we have to construct tangents through M and N. So either using center or without using center. If without using center, take any point here in the opposite direction of this N and then we get this triangle. Now draw the angle congruent to this one here and here at both the ends. And if using center, first join PN, means draw the radius PN, extend it. Similarly here, draw the radius PM. Here radius PM and then extend it. So I am constructing the tangents using center. You can construct using both the methods. That is easier for you. Now we have to draw the tangent at N, means draw the perpendicular through N. You know how to draw. Construction 1 with N as a center and suitable distance in a compass. Draw two arcs on the opposite side of N intersecting that radius, that ray. Now bisect the segment between these two arcs. So you know how to bisect the segment between these two arcs, more than half distance. And then draw the arc by keeping the same distance and the second arc as a center. Draw one arc. We get this point of intersection of these two arcs. Draw the line passing through N and this point of intersection. This is one of the tangent to the circle. So this is the tangent through N. Now similarly we have to construct the tangent at M. So with M as a center and suitable distance, draw the arcs intersecting the ray on both the sides of M. Now bisect the segment between these two arcs. Bisect this segment between the two arcs. Now how to bisect? Take more than half distance, approximate distance, draw one arc by keeping the same distance. That is important. The second arc as a point or center. Now here we get the point of intersection of the two arcs, and here it is point M. Now draw the line passing through this M and this point of intersection. This is the second tangent to the circle, and so sometimes we have to measure this point of intersection. Let it be LL. So here taken L. So measure the length of both segment, that both length of both segment is always equal. So here it is the fifth construction. Remember this one. Here first draw the circle of the given radius, then we have to draw MN, chord MN. So with M as a center, take any point M first, M point लिया, then M से compass में distance लिया 5.7 centimeter. With M as a center and distance 5.7 centimeter, draw arc. We get point N. Then join MN. We get chord MN is equal to 5.7 centimeter. Now we have to draw the tangent at M and N. So using center or without using center, the decision is yours. Now draw the PN and extend it. Draw PM, extend it. At N, draw the perpendicular line. So with N as a center, draw two arcs and bisect the segment between these two arcs. We get the tangent. Same thing is here. We get two tangents. So in this way, we can construct the tangent if length of chord is given. Here it is the second type of construction. Construct a tangent if the point is outside the circle. Point is at a so and so distance from the center. So how to draw the tangent? First we have to draw the rough figure. Draw the circle with center P and radius 4.1 centimeter. So here it is the circle of radius 4.1 centimeter, and here it is P, point P. Now from P at a distance of 7.3 centimeter, there is point Q. So using scale, measure the distance 7.3 centimeter on the right hand side of the page. Right hand side में हम लोग को क्या करना है? We have to take that point Q at a distance of 7.3 centimeters. So here it is Q. So join this PQ. So here it is point Q, 7.3 centimeter. Now next step is bisect that PQ. You know how to bisect. More than half distance with P as a center, more than half distance, draw one arc above and below that PQ. With the same distance with Q as a center, draw the arc intersecting that previous arcs here and here. Now draw the line passing through these two, because I shown this construction in the basic constructions, so I am not wasting the time in this bisector. So here we get the point of midpoint of PQ. Here it is equal. So to get the midpoint of PQ, now with that midpoint or PQ as a diameter and M as a center, draw another circle. So we have to construct another circle with this M as a center and PQ as a diameter. Now this circle, second circle, intersect the original circle in two distinct points. Let it be A and B. Now join this QA or draw a line passing through QA. This is one of the tangent to the circle, and join this QB. This is another tangent to the circle. So this QB is another tangent to the circle. So in this way, we can construct the tangent to the circle from a point outside the line. Listen again, first draw the circle. Here P is the center. From P, measure the distance 7.3 centimeter and take point Q. So here we get point Q. Now bisect segment PQ. Using compass, we get the midpoint M of that. With M as a midpoint and PQ as a diameter, or PM as a radius, draw another circle. That circle intersect the original circle in 2 points. Let it be A and B. Now QA and QB, these are the tangents. So here that 4.2 is also completed. Dear friends, here the fourth chapter is completed. Construction. If you have any doubt in that chapter construction, then you can write in a comment box. I definitely solve your doubts. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel to get the new video, and share the videos to your friends. And please do the practice of that construction, because practice is must for the construction.